Did you know that the average adult spends more than 3 years of their life in the kitchen because of some awesome kitchen gadgets? However, I am here to tell you about 10 best new kitchen gadgets 2020, which can make your cooking experience easy and very enjoyable. In this video, I will show you top 10 new kitchen gadgets. If you'd like to buy any product, link in the description below. Number 1. iCookPot Multi-Use Electric Kettle. When you are busy for working or in the rush morning, iCookPot electric kettle can use to boiling eggs and also can use to warming milk or cooking oatmeal. This tea kettle is easy to use. Rotate the menu knob in the clockwise or anti-clockwise directions to choose your desired function without setting up time or temperature. And then you just need to waiting for the cooking time end. Enjoy good breakfast just in minutes, and this electric kettle makes your life easy and convenient. Number 2. ThermoPro Digital Thermometer. The upgraded user experience ThermoPro TP16S displays the temperature and time at the same time, coupled with front-facing buttons and backlight. Ensures you are able to input settings quickly in all conditions. Do you often forget about the food you are cooking? So it becomes an overcooked disaster. Don't worry, this thermometer will beep to remind you when the food has reached your desired temperature. Preset temperature setting provides you professional cooking temps to enable you to cook like a pro. Number 3. Keurig K Cafe Coffee Maker. Enjoy the rich, full-flavored coffee or delicious coffee house beverage you love from the new Keurig K Cafe single-serve coffee maker. Whether brewing coffee or making lattes and cappuccinos, the K Cafe brewer works with any K-cup pod. Enjoy your latte or cappuccino hot or use the cold setting for cold frothed milk to use a wonderfully refreshing iced latte or iced cappuccino. Enjoying delicious specialty beverage at home has never been so easy. The frother is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup after use and also features a cold setting for cold frothed milk. Number 4. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender and NutriNinja Cups is a professional, high-powered kitchen tool with 1100 watts of power. Its blender features total crushing blades that blast through ice and frozen fruit in seconds for perfect ice crushing. Plus, its NutriNinja cups with 2-go lids make it easy to take delicious, rich juices on the go. Blend your favorite frozen fruits directly into the cup, then simply twist on a lid to enjoy delicious smoothies on the go. With your Ninja Professional Blender, you can make all your favorite drinks, dips, and dressings. Number 5. Cosmo Portable Induction Cooktop. You want delicious food and you want it now. Gone are the days of wasting valuable time trying to light stove burners or waiting for a pan to reach temperature. Induction technology electromagnetic currents generate heat from within the metal in the cookware for extremely fast even heating. Take the hard work out of cooking with easy touch controls and a user-friendly interface that allows you to change settings with a single touch. Smooth cooking surface is made of high-quality glass, making it easy to clean. Electric induction cooktop reduce your cooking time, less time in the kitchen so you can eat sooner. Number 6. Dash Extra White Slot Toaster. Imagine perfect toast every time. With 7 brewing levels, the Dash Clearview toaster takes the guesswork out of toasting. The toaster features one-touch buttons for defrosting, bagels and reheating, as well as an auto shut-off function for safety. 7 brewing levels and the Clearview window allow for the perfect toast with every use. Plus, the auto shut-off feature prevents overheating. With an extra long slot, you can toast a wide variety of bread and baked goods. Number 7. Electric fondue set with non-stick pot. Whether you are throwing a party or feel like having a romantic night, the Dash Fondue Maker brings everyone together. The 3-quart capacity makes enough for the whole crowd, and adjustable temperature control keeps cheese, chocolate or oil at the perfect level for a wider variety of fondue options. 8 color-coded fondue forks and a convenient fork rack keep your parties organized and eliminate drips or added mess. This fondue set is the perfect accessory for large parties, a quiet night in, or entertaining. Number 8. KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder. The KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder makes quick and simple work of grinding beans for up to 12 cups of coffee. Marking on the inside of the stainless steel bowl indicates suitable bean levels for 4 to 12 cups of brewed coffee. And the clear top cover slides on for one-touch operation and also allows you to easily see the consistency of grinds. Offers durability and powerful performance, quickly grinding enough whole beans to make up to 12 cups of coffee. Number 9. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Built for a variety of butters and mixes, the Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer can do everything. This mixer performs better than 2-beater stand mixers. The powerful 300-watt motor can handle the thickest of ingredients, including peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. An easy-to-use dial gives you complete control over mixing. And with 7 speeds, you will have a wider range of speeds to choose from, so you can mix the perfect consistency. Plus, a helpful guide at the mixer's top lets you know which speed to use for various mixing methods. All attachments, as well as the stainless steel 4-quart mixing bowl, are dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. Number 10. Calphalon Precision Control Coffee Maker. Brew a perfect cup of flavorful coffee with the Calphalon Special Brew 10-cup coffee maker. The Special Brew features a premium boiling system that produces precise temperatures to exact 20% more flavor from your grounds for bold coffee. Adjustable flavor strength precisely fits your taste, and the fresh brew timer tracks how long ago the coffee was made. The non-stick warming plate keeps it hot for up to 4 hours and prevents scorching. If you'd like to buy these amazing kitchen gadgets, get in touch via the link below and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.